Extremely engaging and eye-opening day. I don't get to deal too much on the back end of the marketing side with website design and integration, and so seeing that part of it was, well worth the trip. It was interesting to see how much information and how much damage can actually be done based on lack of experience and lack of knowledge from some of the companies out there, and just kind of the hack jobs. Working in the service field, we see hack jobs all the time, and it's hard to find companies that you trust. And I would say that was a big takeaway for me today, is that not everybody that has a pretty website and can talk like they know what they're doing knows what they're doing. Everybody at the end of the day is trying to make a quick buck, and trust seems to be a huge part of this side of the industry that most people need to look into a little bit more. I would absolutely recommend this for anybody that needs to not only just learn a little bit more about the marketing side, but just cares about their business and the direction that they want it to go. Because not only do they offer the ability to do some online social media, but also to handle your website, to help you with reviews, and make you stand out in little ways that are going to be better than your competition in your area. 10 out of 10. Yeah, this was much better than a day spent in the office, and I'd be glad to be behind for a day to get this information.